Hello my dear friends, welcome all of you in my new video, and today we are going to discuss about debt mutual fund taxation. So first of all, let us know what is debt mutual fund. A debt mutual fund is a fund that invests primarily in debt instruments like government bond, corporate bond, treasury bill and other fixed income securities. Since these instruments offer a return at a predetermined rate, the risks associated with them are comparatively lower than the risk of market-linked asset. So, debt funds are ideal for conservative investors who want to minimize market risk. Now, let us check the key factors. The first point is holding period. Debt mutual fund held up to 24 months are taxed as short-term capital gain, while those held beyond the period of 24 months are taxed as long-term capital gains. Short-term capital gain on debt fund is taxed as per the investor's applicable income tax slab rate, while gains from fund held beyond 24 months are taxed at 20% with indexation benefit. It was an earlier provision. Now, what is the investment debt? The fund purchased before April 2023 may still qualify for previous tax structure affecting overall taxation. And what about rebate under Section 87? Investors with taxable income within the exemption limit may benefit from tax rebate, reducing their tax liabilities. Now, few things to clarify. Before March 2020, dividends from debt fund were tax-free in the hands of the investors because the asset management company or AMC or the fund house paid dividend distribution tax on these sums. However, since the dividend distribution tax was abolished in the budget 2020, dividends are now added to the total income of the investors and taxed as per the applicable slab rate. Now, let us have a quick snapshot of the changes of how a debt fund will be taxed following the Union Budget 2024. Now, first of all, we will cover short-term capital gain. For asset which has been purchased, that is debt fund purchased before 1st April 2023, and if the holding period is up to 24 months, then the applicable taxation will be according to the investor slab rate, while those debt funds purchased after 1st April 2023, they are always called as short term, and accordingly the investor's tax slab will be attracted in this case. Now we shall talk about long term capital gain. Now, debt fund purchased before 1st of April 2023 and the holding period is greater than 24 months. So the taxation will be 12.5% without indexation benefit, that is new. Whereas debt fund purchased after 1st of April 2023, then the previous rule will apply. Now let us discuss about purchase date and tax treatment. Now the thing is that if debt mutual fund has been purchased before 1st of April 2023, then long-term capital gain, that is LTCG, will be applied and tax rate will be 12.5% after a holding period of 2 years. Whereas if the purchase date is on or after 1st of April 2023, then gains tax at the investor's applicable income tax slab rate, no long-term capital gain benefit. So my dear friends, thanks for watching the video. I hope the taxation on debt mutual fund has been cleared. If you like the video, please subscribe my channel, and if you have any valuable suggestion, please leave it in the comment box. Thanks for watching.